Hi, I'm Adrian Ramsay from Adrian Ramsay Design House. Something that I'm really excited to be doing this year is taking a small group of people on a design tour to Austin, Texas. This tour is to expose you to great design, to teach you how to create stories that add value to the occupants of a home. The journey, the volume of the space, the design analytics that are used, the direction, the trends, and the journey of trends globally, where they come from one place and go to another. Some people have asked me, why Austin, Texas? Austin, Texas is the second fastest growing town in America. It climatically has a lot in common with Australia. There are actually 7 climate zones in Australia that match well to Austin, Texas. They're building 40,000 new homes a year, hundreds of custom homes. Their designers and architects are winning awards throughout the US and globally. Because Austin, Texas is a fast-growing, fast-paced town, there is a massive amount of design innovation that is required for this marketplace to survive. So this makes Austin a perfect place to go and get inspiration. This tour isn't about stealing ideas. This tour is about me opening up my network of architects and designers and builders to you to learn from. We're going to have intimate one-on-one discussions with these guys. We're going to visit homes that they've worked on and worked in. My job as host of this tour is going to be to unlock design for you, to decode it, to get the backstories, and then show you how that's been developed. We plan to visit around 12 homes over 2 days, and then 2 days of up close and personal with architects, designers, interior designers and builders. So if you're a residential architect, a building designer, an interior designer or a developer, or someone who is just wildly passionate about design, possibly has a dream project that they're about to invest in, this tour is for you. For further information, see the link below and get in contact. We'd love to have you along. See you in Texas.